She spins and she sways to whatever song plays, without a care in the world. And I'm sitting here wearing the weight of the world on my shoulders. It's been a long day and there's still work to do. She's pulling at me saying, Dad, I need you. There's a ball at the castle and I've been invited, and I need to practice my dancing. Oh please, Daddy, please. So I dance with Cinderella while she's here in my arms, 'cause I know something the prince never knew. Oh, I dance with Cinderella. I don't want to miss even one song, 'cause all too soon the clock will strike midnight, and she'll be gone. She says he's a nice guy and I'd be impressed. She wants to know if I approve of the dress. She says, Dad, the prom is just 1 week away, and I need to practice my dancing. Oh please, Daddy, please. So I will dance with Cinderella while she's here in my arms, 'cause I know something the prince never knew. Oh, 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 I will dance with Cinderella. I don't want to miss even one song, 'cause all too soon the clock will strike midnight, and she'll be gone. She will be gone. Well, she came home today with the ring on her hand, just glowing and telling us all they had planned. She says, Dad, the wedding's still 6 months away, but I need to practice my dancing. Oh please, Daddy, please. So I will dance with Cinderella while she is here in my arms, 'cause I know something the prince never knew. Oh, 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 I will dance with Cinderella. I don't want to miss even one song, 'cause all too soon the clock will strike midnight, and she'll be gone.
Oh, there's something about a man in black, makes me wanna buy a Cadillac, throw the top back and roll down to Jackson Town. I wanna be there on the stage with you. You and I could be the next rage to hear the crowd roar, make 'em want more, kick the footlights out. I wanna love like Johnny and Jude, rings of fire burning with you. I wanna walk the line until the end of time. I wanna love you that much, cash it all in, give it all up, and when you're gone, I wanna go too, like Johnny and Jude. country song, pray a sweet prayer, follow you there, down in history. I wanna love like Johnny and June, rings of fire burning with you. I wanna walk the line till the end of time. I wanna love you that much, cash it all in, give it all up. But when you're gone, I wanna go to like Johnny and June, like Johnny and June. More than life itself, no one else. This endless promise, they don't make love like that anymore. Is that too much to be asking for? I wanna love like Johnny and June, rings of fire burning with you. I wanna walk the line until the end of time. I wanna love you that much, cash it all in, give it all up. But when you're gone, I wanna go to like Johnny and June.
There's a want and there's a need. There's a history between girls like her and guys like me, cowboys and angels. I've got boots and she's got wings. I'm hell on wheels and she's heavenly. I'd die for her and she lives for me, cowboys and angels. We ride side by side, a cloud of dust, a ray of light. My touch is her temptation, her kiss is my salvation. She's sweet, I'm wild for dangerous, cowboys and angels. Right outside of this one church town, there's a gold dirt road to a whole lot of nothing. Got a deed to the land, but it ain't my ground. This is God's country. We pray for rain and thank Him when it's falling, 'cause it brings a grain and a little bit of money. We put it back in a plate, I guess that's why they call it God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. We turn the dirt and work until the week's done. We take a break and break bread on Sunday, then do it all again, 'cause we're proud to be from God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. kind of pine wood box I end up in. When it's my time, lay me 6 feet deep in God's country.